These 4 new technologies can make you rich, and I'll explain to you. Have you heard of artificial intelligence, blockchain, virtual reality, and nanotechnology? Even if you've never heard of these terms, I'll explain how to make money with the new technologies that are changing the world. The first tip is simple: learn everything you can about emerging technologies. Today, there's a vast amount of information online and free courses available, so there's no excuse not to specialize. If you already have some relevant knowledge and skills, why not offer your services as a freelancer? There are many online platforms, like Upwork or Fiverr, that allow you to connect with clients around the world who need services related to emerging technologies. You can also participate in open source projects related to these technologies and acquire valuable skills that can be monetized in the future. Creating educational content about these technologies, such as YouTube videos, blogs, or online courses, and monetizing your work through ads, sponsorships, or sales. As you can see, there are many ways to make money with emerging technologies without having to invest a penny. All you need is to learn, develop your skills, and look for opportunities. If you're willing to work hard and be creative, the rewards can be huge.